Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohan Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make contactor in using timer relay wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Circuit breakers, 3-pole magnetic conductor, timer, lamp. Phase connection to circuit breaker. Phase connection outgoing from circuit breaker to magnetic contactor. Phase connection outgoing from magnetic contactor to connect timer. Phase connection outgoing from timer to magnetic contactor coil connection. Phase connection outgoing from magnetic contactor to lamp. Phase connection short in timer. Neutral connection to magnetic contactor. Neutral connection short with coil connection. Neutral connection outgoing from magnetic contactor and connect to timer. Neutral connection outgoing from contactor to connect lamp. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.